Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the DYU C6 26-inch city electric bike. Ooh. We can ride 30 up to 37 miles with that, per charge of course, in pedal assist mode. 15.5 miles per hour are possible in top speed. 36 voltage of battery power with 12.5 ampere hour. It's a lithium-ion battery which you can remove and reload separated if you like. It's 26-inch design. It's a small electric bike for beginners and it's available in white and in black as shown in that video here. The DYU C6 city e-bike makes a really good job. Oh yeah, because we have a high-speed motor. The 350-watt motor provides sufficient power and it can completely driven on a slope of 15 degrees. And the big thing is the removable battery. The detachable battery can be detached anywhere for charging and carrying, tool-free. It's equipped with an anti-theft lock for more secure. And we have damping. The C6 is equipped with a front fork shock absorption, which can maintain a comfortable riding experience when encountering cobblestones and potholes. And we have more details and more discoveries. The details reflect the seriousness of DYU because we have a Shimano derailleur. Customize our ride with a Shimano 7-speed. We can change the transmission design at any time to deal with it treacherous terrain as we like. And we have an LED headlight. The headlight is bright enough to make night driving much safer and more enjoyable. And we have a rear rack. The rear rack with the pre-installed hardware is a quick and easy to be installed thing. And adjustable seat, of course. The height of the seat can be adjusted at any time according to the different heights of the riders. And we have the possibility of a good ride, baby, with smooth stops function. Smooth stops hydraulic disc brakes with an comfortable stop to stop your electronic bike, your pedelec, and this gives us more control of our whole ride. It is for the height recommended of 5.24 feet up to 6.39 feet. The load capacity is the maximum 265 pounds. The bicycle weight itself is 60 pounds. And we have an easy going nice frame material, iron, aluminum alloy. The size of the package which comes to you is 1490 to 250 to 760 millimeter. We have pedals, we have ground, clearance, 120 meter. Everything is included and we does not have to assemble a lot. Only some parts we have to attach onto the bicycle and then we can have a ride after we load the battery, of course. A pedelec comes from pedal electric cycle because this is a pedelec, or EPAC, an EPAC, electronic power system cycle, is a type of low-powered electric bicycle where the rider is pedaling in assisted by a small electric motor. However, unlike some other types of e-bikes, the pedelecs are classified as conventional bicycles in many countries by road authorities rather than as a type of electric moped. The pedelecs include an electronic controller which cuts the power to the motor when the rider is not pedaling or when at a certain speed. Usually it is 25 km per hour, 60 miles per hour, or 32 are possible too. is reached. Pedelecs are useful for people who ride in hilly areas or in strong headwinds. While a pedelec can be any type of bicycle, a pedelec city bike is very common. And this here is a pedelec city bike. And this brings us to our job, for example. Every day we like. We have everything what we need. We have grips, a front, derailleur, a brake lever, throttle of course. We can throttle easily. We have a front basket, a front light, a front fork, a front fender, a front tires of course. We have a good rim for urban driving. We have a front brake, and reflector on it. We have an easygoing crankset, and we have, of course, a seat which can be tilted a little bit, and we can remove the battery and reload the battery away from the bicycle itself. We have a rear carrier included. We have a rear light, which we have to operate separately by pushing one button, and it is battery power too. We have the hub motor on the back side. Then we have a back wheel, of course, and a rear derailleur. Everything is included. The package comes with 2 pedals, 1 charger, 1 Allen key, and a 15mm open wrench. We have easily quick start with unfolding our lever. Then we install the pedals. Right pedal is rotating clockwise, the left pedal is rotating anti-clockwise. And the charging is the main thing what we have to perform. The charger of the power, we have to use the power plug, and then we are going to the DYU EBike, where the charger indicates turn green from red. It shows that it's full reloaded. We turn on the DYU EBike while push forward the boot button to turn on the e-bike. The dashboard lights up. We push back the boot button to turn off the e-bike if we need that, because we can use it as a standard bicycle too. We can switching on and off. We press the switch button. The display shows the power on when there is power, of course. We press the switch button and the display shows off when there is no power anymore and we have to reload it. We have a front light. We push the front light button on the left side of our lever forward to turn on the front light. We push it backward to turn it off, of course. When the brake and the handle is not fully rebounded during use, it is a power earth state and cannot be powered up, of course, so take care of it. We have an electric and assistant mode. That means we have 3 modes we can choose from. The default setting is an ECO economy gear when the machine is turned on. And it can directly accelerate while we're riding. And it can also use power assistance sensor to ride too. We have zero speed booting and non-zero speed booting too. The zero speed booting is when the e-bike on standby mode, we can accelerate with the speeding bar. Non-zero speed booting means the e-bike boots when it runs only. We hold the brake gently when going downhill, okay? It can recover part of the power and charge our pedelec with energy. That means we have a repower function. We can remove the battery and attach the battery easily. Without a tool, we need only the key, which is included at the delivery. We push the lock, we can remove the battery and lock tongue, retracted state. We remove the battery case after removing the key, okay? We can go to off setting, remove the key when the lock tongue extended, and non-power on means battery case locked, and this is immovable. Then we can switch to on position. Remove the key when the lock tongue extended, and in power on state the battery case locked, and this is the on status. So we can go with the bike. We have the front light. We push the front light button forward to turn it on and backward to turn it off. We have a current power display. It displays the power range. We have 4 green lines on it, and if there is no green line anymore, we have to reload the battery. We have a power button. We click to turn on the Detachable Battery when the device should be used, and we can push again when it should be not in use. And we like to use that bike only as a bicycle, for example, or we have to store it somewhere. To switch between the gears, a rear sprouted clutch called a free wheel or a cockset. Then we have a rear derailleur with one swifter on the right lever side, one control cable, of course, and one front sprocket called a charging time. The DYU bike here is really starter or startup pedelec for beginners who likes to ride a pedelec with short distance, for example, like urban style, or some elder guys who are not positive with the standard bicycle, or like a little bit sports, and so on. The DYU bike here is the C6. The material which it is made from is steel. The spread size is 1820 to 610 to 1150 millimeter. The center distance is 1170 millimeter. The hub size is a 26 inches hub. The color you can choose from black or white, and the performance, the weight is around about 30 kilogram. Maximum load is 120 kilogram. The riding speed will be 20 kilometer per hour. The max speed is 25 kilometer per hour. And pure electric, if you like to ride, is 40 kilometer plus minus 3. The assistant mileage is 40 up to 60 kilometer. The uphill is possible with 15 degree, and then you can go for a ride. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.